Yeah, man. Okay, we got this better, man. How'd you guys like that startup screen? No problems. We got our ugly, ugly character here. This guy's gonna be a problem, I'm telling you right now. I swore when I did the bow playthrough, I would never be hungry again. It was so challenging. It was so freaking miserable. And then I'm like, I'll do a no-hit run this time. That'll be good. Not a no-hit. Not a no-hit. I'll do a no summons run. And it was fun until Malekith. Malekith was hell on me, guys. Malekith was living hell on me. And guess what we did? We freaking did it. We overcame, folks. What's up, Trips? How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Man, welcome to the stream. Okay. We have very simple things to do here. If you were here last night, it was pretty rough. We couldn't see a lot of phase 2s. And when we got to a phase 2, we just died. The phase 1s were pretty messy, guys. They're pretty messy. So we're hoping we can do better tonight. I think we can. I'm feeling a lot better. Feeling a lot better, man. What's going on with you, Trips? That's a great name. Trip. I bet TRIPZ was already taken, huh? Okay, let's get buffed up, folks. Oh, I did a cool thing here, guys. Let me show you guys. I gotta show you guys from over here. I put my flask, my physics, and my buff. I put them right here, guys. Because I don't need them. I don't need them in my freaking when I'm scrolling through stuff. You know what I'm saying? Minimal, guys. I set this up for Malekith for minimal movement. Quintuple moon. I don't know if I can get quintuple. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about just doing 2. I'm thinking 2 moons because the moons aren't going to save me. You know what I'm saying? The moons aren't going to save me, man. If you weren't here last night, we get this really slow cast. This the big moon poopy. I make a big moon. It floats at Godfrey, and we got 4 of them off one time last night, but it didn't go well. 3 was our really tough window, but there's still a little bit of RNG. I'm thinking, let's just stay alive an extra 20 seconds and hit them a couple times and make up for the moon. You know what I'm saying? That way, I think we'll have more consistent. Well, I'm gonna wipe you guys' face off like you're a freaking 3-year-old. You eating pudding, boy? Get over here. There we go. There we go. We got you guys. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. I like to. These things, they work, man. For glasses, they work. But what I learned is always use it on at least 2 things. Okay, we're gonna get in, guys. We're going in. Nice. Does that help? Yeah, it does for me. It does for me. Okay, here. Wait. I want to be ready. I'm gonna use my scroll. Oh, dude, I was googling stuff today trying to set my scroll mouse. Remember, I was whining about that last night. Okay. Oh, and I start off with the mana pot. That's why I'm doing 2 moons. Because after buffing and running in and 2 moons, I can get a drink of mana off before the poopy hits the fan. And this is just a much cleaner way to do it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this, guys. We're gonna kill this freaking fool tonight. We're gonna play with Radagon. Hopefully kill him. That's the move. Okay. Okay, now. He's coming at me. This is the attack that I was missing yesterday. Okay, we'll get our timing down. Watch me kill him this time. Come on. Timing's still no good, guys. Timing's still no good. It's okay. shouldn't have rolled away from that, I don't think. I knew I shouldn't have drank there. Get out of that. Much better. And I should roll that the other way, but this is cool. Phase 2, I'm gonna get hit. But there's phase 2 on a first attempt. First try him, face red heart shape. Hey y'all, hey DBX, how you doing, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the stream, folks. You absolutely love to see it. Ooh, the music is still on, guys. The music needs to go away, guys. The music, when I start the stream, we shut the music off. Guys, there's so many freaking things to do here. Whoa. Okay, good. Let's just run away from Horaloo. Well, we're gonna get stunned and probably picked up, right? Okay, blew that. And blew that too. Okay. That is something that it happened to us last night. And I can avoid it how? Yeah, when he's got the poopy on the ground, maybe. No, I don't understand. That was just bad timing, man. I don't think I could have done a lot for that, guys. Wait. Put these back. I have to change these with my mouse key, guys. Because I have to learn with my mouse. Sprint. Yeah, right. Sprint out of it, but I got to roll through the first one. And I got hit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, no problem, guys. We get back into this quick. Oop, and wait, we have an attempt counter here, folks, and I gotta go ahead and I gotta do the embarrassing and say now we're at 20. All right, here we're at 25 attempts, guys. That's a little bit rough, but you just saw first attempt tonight. We got into phase 2. So this guy's dying tonight, guys. This guy dies tonight. I got the feeling. I got a feeling deep inside. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's do this again. Only better. That should hit because I ran a little bit far forward. Feeling my vibes? I should have rolled the other way. And I should have waited for him to finish his attack there. And that was just, I should have stayed close to him. Yeah, 1000%. Hey, Charlie, Kevin Cook, what's up, dude? Oh, the embarrassing button. That's my hot drop counter, folks, from when I do 100 hot drops in Warzone. Every time there's a new game drops or a new map or something, I do 100 hot drops. This time, I gave up on it, man. Remember, I don't know if you guys play Call of Duty or Warzone, but the mouse and keyboard, at least when the game first dropped, the mouse and keyboard was like, the auto aim on the controller was insane. It's always harder for them to balance that. And it wasn't balanced, man. And I couldn't win a fight, guys. I go into MW3 and win games, man. Top kills, top score, everything. Not so much when the new Warzone dropped. So I'm like, I'm out of here. Couldn't do it. Okay, guys, same thing. Only better. Come to me. I don't know if that's going to hit, guys. Didn't hit. Maybe he'll do the jump attack thing. Maybe he throws the axe. Throw your axe, me, buddy. Because you get free shots. He did 2 in a row. You love that, folks. You gotta love that. We needed that because we didn't get the moon. That was early. Why do I roll early? I'll get the timing, guys. It's been a minute. All it takes is a little bit of a minute. Dave Center. Oh, DB is Dave Center. Nice, man. Nice. Did you get the live alert? Did anyone get the live alert from Facebook and follow the link. If I put a post to Facebook, like saying I'm alive on another platform, they'll completely freaking decimate it, man. They'll decimate it. They will not share it to anybody. If I post a picture of my cat, they'll show a bunch of people. If I say I'm going live on YouTube, they won't. But the live alert channel is different, guys. It's like a messenger, right? So if you guys want to get in that, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming, go to the top of the screen. You'll see the live broadcast channel, live alert channel. Go to that, join it, and you'll get a live alert on Facebook every time I go live. That's all. 2-3 times a day. It won't blow your Facebook up. Okay, let's get in here. Okay. That wasn't like a botched pull. That was too early. It's not coming. I'm gonna go for 3 here, although I shouldn't. So all 3 can hit it. I'm not close enough, and I'm not rolling in enough. And I panic rolled that. Now I'm panicking to get away. And I freaking rolled instead of jumped. It's okay. Okay. And that was... If I get out of this, I'm freaking lucky this time. Good, we did. Maybe we'll get a phase 2 here. Why would I just stand there for that? It's like I want to die. And those I have to double roll those faster guys. And they're such okay. Still way better, and we almost had phase 2. Hey, Rhodes is on the Twitch. What's up, man? Oh, by the way, I had to add Jay to the mod here on YouTube. Rhodes, I think you already are a mod on Twitch, right? I mean, you know, I can see the Twitch chat from here. We don't need, like, I don't need mods. There's probably not, I don't know how many people are watching on Twitch. I can't even see. Not even worried. If you're watching on Twitch, welcome, welcome, welcome. I do have a Twitch chat. Okay. This is the way to get into it. This is the way to get into it, guys. You just got to get into it. Did I buff Golden Vow? Okay, wait. One more. So jump that. Up close you can jump. Oh, I forgot to do my last embarrassing number 2. And believe me, like, I am proud of that number. You think, hey, the number's going up. Yeah, that's not good. I don't think no badge. Okay, cool, 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 man. We got lots of time here. Let me run over to my Twitch stream. I'll click on your name, and I'll make you a freaking mod right quick. Twitch. Rhodes. Right click. Rhodes. Mod Rhodes. You're modded, Rhodes. Okay? You are modded on Twitch. I received the alert and followed the info. Oh, did it give you like some info you had to follow? That's awesome. I didn't realize that. You should be modded now, Rhodes. If I gave you too much, don't delete the channel, please. I mean, you know, unless I can't kill him in like 128 attempts, then probably just delete the Twitch channel. It'd be freaking just too embarrassing to overcome. We got this, guys. We got this. I gotta really watch this fool. Okay. I could also, once we get a little bit more Phase 2 action, I'll rune art. But we've got like one Phase 2 that was kind of screwed up Phase 2, right? I think that was perfect. Dude, how do you freaking miss that one? That was probably unlucky or stupid. I'm lucky. I got lucky there too. Phase 2, baby! Was that no hit? No, did I drink? Yeah, I drank once. This is it, guys. I should have rune arced. No, I shouldn't have rune arced. We gotta get good at Horaloo, and we gotta keep those consistent Phase 1s so we can get better Horaloo.
Did me good service.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
Siraj.
Let's go. Okay, hit escape. Get out of this. Why would I do that? I gotta double jump those. No! No! Get him! Get him! Hey! Second attempt. Second attempt? No. No. Third or fourth attempt? Oh my God, guys. I never believed I could do that, man. I never believed I could do that. Wow. My heart. My heart, guys. Let's go. Who was here for last night, man? You know what I always say, guys? Easy Phase 1, easy Phase 2. You know what I'm saying? You come in with some health, you come in with some pots. One thing about that fight, it's so fast and it's so aggressive that I never... There's no time to heal. For me, there's no time to heal. So it's like I never run out of health pots. Never run out of mana pots. You know what I'm saying? Like I very well might on Elden Beast. Now I need... Let's talk about trinkets. Let's talk about trinkets. Because I can go here now. I can go here now, right? We... killed Fire Giant, we burned the tree, we beat this guy, and so now I can go here. Yeah, let's go look at the thorns and be sure. Oh my God, guys. I wanted him so freaking bad, but you can't want him that bad, man. I gotta be honest, on Phase 1, at the end, I shot 4 poopies at him because I'm like, phase 2 is here, phase 2 is here, and I just went bam, 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 bam. Okay. Equipment. Now, physical damage. The most common trinket for this fight is, it's up here. Where is it? Where? Wait. Yeah, it's this one, right? Lightning damage. No, do they do holy damage? They do holy damage. So we have that. So that's good. Now the question is, do we use swords or stabs? Radagon is going to be a challenge with swords, although I do have cool ash, and they're gonna inflict frost damage. Hey, is a giant at the end of the bridge guarding a portal worth killing? The giant at the end of the bridge guarding a portal worth killing. The portal off. I don't know if he activates it on death. Are you talking about where you open a chest and it ports you like up on top of the Capitol and you can't get down? There's a grace and you can see him through the door. I think he's laying down, and there's a chest, I think, on the left and a portal on the right, I think, or something like. Is that the place you're talking about? Yeah. No, but I recommend killing him for the game. I don't kill him every playthrough, but I've always tried or killed him, depending on the build and stuff. Sometimes I'm just not gonna happen, right? I mean, he could hit me with a half of a hit and one and a half shot me, so that wasn't really working. Oh, raises magic attack but lowers damage negation, and I think my swords do magic, guys. This is gonna be so crazy, but I think I just got to. We're going to try the swords, guys. We're going to try the swords. We're going to try the swords. How cool would it be? Because I'll tell you right now, the swords are going to be great for Elden Beast. They are. And what I may end up doing eventually is something I've never done. Is 1-and-1. One staff, one sword. That's a move. I've just never done that before. Can you believe that, guys? In all my playthroughs, like I said, I did a shield for like a couple hours, and I realized I wasn't using it, so I just took my shield off. This is going to be tricky with Radagon. Equipment. We got empty slots here. Okay, so this one, finger seal. I want this one. I want to. Can I remove that? I can't. I'm going to remove this and then go back to my finger seal. Equipment here. Let's get the finger seal, folks. The finger seal. Try finger seal. Man, I was working all day today, guys. And I was going to go play guitar, but I'm like, you know what? That's what I'm using, really? Just to buff gold vow? It doesn't make a difference. But shouldn't we be using like a gravel stone seal just like because we have one? Yeah, man. Let's use the good one. Let's use the good one. Okay. Let me see how this freaking weapon works. This makes my ash available where I can do this. And that, I think, is what I'm going to be doing a lot of, in addition to whacking, double whacking when I can. You got this, bro. Hey, Gyobu Mastaka Oniwa. Bleed build, so it's hard. Yes, you're in a bleed build. Oh, yeah, the poor... Yeah, that guy... I don't think that guy bleeds. I don't think that guy bleeds. That used a little bit of mana, just a hint, but guys... And let's look at our flasks, too. Let's look at our physic. Temporarily boosts damage negation, and temporarily boosts magic attacks. Starting out, we're just going to go ahead and flask on the way in, folks. We're going to flask... I call it a flask. Right, from World of Warcraft. We're gonna physic on the way in to make things simpler. Well, golden vow. If I can get a vow off before Beast, I will. But that looks okay. Now, since we're going to be doing a melee scenario, the Ash is good, but flasks, allocate. I know Elden Beast and myself. Wow. 10 and 4. Let's go 10 and 4. And if we end up, you know, I'm already talking about Elden Beast like Radagon's freaking in my past, guys. Guys, Radagon is not in my past. I could do a teeny bit of preparation for Radagon, but the fact is, nothing does anything until you get in there. You know what I mean? I know that Radagon's super weak to fire. Yeah, thank goodness he's weak to frost, too. Yeah, I believe he's weak to frost, too. Does anyone know? Does anyone want to make a comment for that? I believe I think his biggest weakness is fire, but frost helps, and I think the frost will build up on him too, unlike Elden Beast. And that's why Elden Beast, I need this is what I got to do to Elden Beast, guys, right there. Right when it starts off, I'm going to run up, hit him in the chest, run around the back, hit him a couple more times, you know, hopefully avoid the fire, and then we just got to start running back and forth, running in, hitting him in his big tummy. And that's, to me, that's the most effective way to kill Elden Beast. I did it with the bow. I did it with the rock sling. The melee, just blunt force damage, man. Blunt force damage is good, and the magic damage will hurt him. But on Elden Beast, I don't believe the frost will build up. Yeah, he's weak to frost, Gyobu, thank you. Yeah, man. Okay, guys, now look what I'm doing. I'm being scared again, guys. Stop being scared. Oh, okay, yeah. We're drinking outside and buffing, and we're not doing moons, so I'm not going to worry about... I still have 99 boiled prawns. I guess I had extra in the old banco, guys. Okay, so we're going to buff up. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to run right at him. Usually, I'm standing there summoning and then waiting for him to freaking come hit me. Don't have to worry about that right now. Don't have to worry about that right now, guys. Now, oh, do I have... Let me see something here. Okay, that's a quick one. That's a heavy one. Two-handed would be a lot worse, but we got these two for a reason, folks. We got the two to do the double wax. I might run in and just go ahead and jump on him, guys. We'll do a jump attack. That could be fun, right? I'm planning my demise, folks. Planning my demise. Here we go. Let's get a little closer to the fog wall. We're going to have the cutscene, which will start actually a little bit closer to him, right? Which would be fine. I'll just run right up to him and start whacking on him, see what happens, guys. Guys, this is... I did a no summons melee big bonk. And it was like NG +2 or something. But there's one right there in front of us, the ghost. Royal Knights Resolve, guys. It's a different fight. Elden Beast will probably be the same as this, but big bonk against Radagon, you just run up and Royal Knights Resolve and hit him, and you're just melting him, right? And so this is something I have very little experience doing, but we overcame Godfrey. And if you see how fresh I was from last night, the attempts were getting worse and worse, right? You see how fresh I was today, right? So what I'll do is, if at some point, I'm going to grind this, guys. I'm going to grind this and learn the moves. I already kind of know the moves. I just don't know them from standing next to him and whacking him. But you just got to roll forward through most of that stuff, right? And then there's a grab that, good luck on the grab. I have no idea what that looks like. That's instant freaking death, folks, the grab, right? Okay, let's give this a shot. Drinking! I wonder if the boiled prawn is helping me at all. Oh, I left the full moon up. Oh, I don't need those at all. Doesn't matter. Let's get in there and fight, guys. Oh, wait. There we go. We'll see what the frost does to him, man. Because these swords are supposed to do magic damage. Oh, dang, Facebook's still not working, Charlie. Caleb, I'm not streaming to Facebook. It's working. I'm just not streaming to Facebook right now. I've been having way too many problems with Facebook. And when I try and restream. So I am going to stream to Facebook directly for chess, and the gaming stuff, I think it's going to be moving here. It's all I can do. It's all I can do. Plus, you ought to see my freaking graph. I mean, guys, I just started a few days ago, right? Well, my graph on YouTube is just skyrocketing because I get a few people coming in. If you're new to the stream, drop me a sub. You guys with all your comments, you're helping the algorithm. And then I just, so I eliminate, I didn't stream to Kick today either. I'm like, you're trying to do way too much, Charlie. I was. I worked for 4 hours yesterday trying to set everything up so I could do everything. And then I had an echo, and then Facebook wasn't showing my live, but you guys still could see it. And I'm like, what? I refreshed the browser. It would not show my live in my feed. But people got notifications for it, and that's how they found it. It's supposed to be in my feed. I don't know what. I don't know. I don't know. I'll worry about that with tomorrow on the chess stream at 4 p.m. guys. Wondering, just came to watch you kick butt. Yeah, Caleb, got you, man. Thanks. Thanks for telling me, but just so you know, that's what it is. I tried too many times and failed too many times. And maybe someone will be able to tell me an easy way to do it if I can find a streamer that's doing it. Okay. Little aggressive. I knew he wouldn't let me have that. Getting hit by everything. Yep, and that was a jump. Okay, the damage is great. Right? The damage is great. We figured out that the damage is great. Now I have to stop doing 2 swings. Let's test something real quick. Okay, let's see how long this animation is. Ready, guys? Well, how long is that, would you say? I mean, it's hard to... Now let's see this. Now let's see this one. Let's see what this one does. That's almost the same. But that's supposed to do a lot... might be a little faster. And then this is my quick hit, which is actually... It just hits faster, but the animation still freaking sucks. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Okay. Do we know if Drew or Trey is here, being I just got here? I don't know. I don't think so. I think their names are the same. I think if Trey was here, we would probably see Trey and Drew, I would think. And they're part of the live broadcast, so they got a notification. Okay, time to buff up, guys. And now I just got to get in there. That time I was being very aggressive because I wanted to see the damage. Now I'll probably, well, I ain't trying to be negative. We got this. I'm doing that jump attack though. Maybe I'll try the Ash before it runs out. It's on a timer. I gotta jump some of those, right? Horrible. Okay. I keep double rolling those. The Ash is the move for sure. Hey, Dave Joyce. Dave, how you doing, man? Dave, I freaking did it, dude. We killed freaking Godfrey, man. I killed Godfrey. I cannot believe it happened, but it did. It was, I think, on the 3rd attempt of the stream. Way too early, guys. I have to learn how to throw for content, man. I have to learn how to throw for content, guys. I'll never be a famous streamer if I don't throw for content. I've got to learn, okay, once I get the, you know, once I get him to second phase to like 5%, just throw and die. You guys are like, don't do that. It's like, yeah. It would have gave me a little more time. We did this yesterday on Malekith. I freaking killed Malekith on like the second attempt or something. First attempt, second attempt. Give Radagon a full moon, Kevin Cook. Ooh, that's an idea. Oh, God. I was supposed to walk away. That was the grab. Okay, are we live? No. That was the grab. I'm supposed to run from that. It's okay. Remember what I said? I don't know the grab? Now I know the grab. Now I know the grab. Awesome, man. After all those attempts yesterday, finally got him. How are you guys doing? Yeah, oh, by the way, we can reset this thing. Oh, wait, not that. I think if I hold this button down forever, it'll go to 0. And that was like, what, 1, 2... Was that 2 attempts? Was that 2 attempts? I think it was 2. I'm going to call it 2 unless you guys say it was 3. Oh, man. Dave, Joyce, I'm telling you, man. It's so freaking rewarding to kill that freaking boss, man. And right now where I am, I don't feel safe. I'm still, like, watching my back. Like, is he coming back? Is he coming back for me? Do I have to kill him again? To be honest, I got phase 1 down. Okay. Here we go. Oh, yeah, you're saying full moon the fool, huh? If I full moon the fool, I'm going to have to add a 3rd weapon. And I just don't think I'm going to full moon him. I don't think I'm going to full moon him, Kevin. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe we'll do it later. Okay? Like at some point if I feel like I need to switch to the caster. Because let's go. This will be the 3rd. Yeah. Yeah, and I click it after every death. At least I'm supposed to. I don't want to click it before I go in because I don't want to think about it. You know what I'm saying? Physic. Prawn. I wasn't ready. Okay. I could get 2 shots off. I think. Having nightmares. Dude, I'm telling you, Caleb. What's up, Edgar Castro? How you doing, man? Welcome, dude. Thanks for showing up, my friend. Dude, I knew that was the grab. I thought she was going to throw the freaking poopies at me, guys. Come on, man. Give me time to drink, sweetie. A little late on that. That's okay. We're learning. Okay, that's okay. I should have known she was going to steal my freaking, my health opportunity. That was pretty bad. I can't get my heal off, guys. I mean, how did I think that was going to happen? That was early. I just wanted to hit her. Okay. The grab, I saw the grab last time, and I didn't know what it was. This time I saw it, and I thought it was a lightning spear. Okay. My bleed mage is about ready to fight Millennia. Dave Joyce, nice, man. Caleb, how did you do on Millennia last night, man? You saw phase 2. How many times did you see phase 2? Did you start getting there on a regular basis? Millennia is such a challenge. Millennia is insane. Millennia is insane. We 3-manned her, and it was a joke. I mean, it started out hard. Okay, let's get a little more accurate on the buffing sequence here, guys. We have to be okay with not healing right away because the healing is costing me, guys. Healing is costing me. Attempt number 4. Okay. I panic roll that. It's okay. She does a drag, just relax. And I knew what to do there, and I didn't do it. I gotta roll through those. And that was a panic roll. It cost me that. I need these health pots for Elden Beast, guys. Okay. You know what? Besides the first attempt where I walked in and just intentionally died to check the DPS, that I still think was the best, guys. Is that 65%? It's an improvement, guys. There we go. 4 attempts in the hole, guys. We're going for number 5 right now. That was better. Currently out working, making the dough. We'll try another time. Haven't beat her yet. She's a freaking joke, man. Jay, what's up, my brother? How you doing tonight? Truth. Okay. I mean, we got 60%, guys. We got 60%. It's a record. It's my personal best right now. Not working. We'll try another time. Cool. I have to slow down. At the beginning, I'm gonna hit twice. Then I gotta get like one shots in. I knew it. I try to roll out of it, guys. How'd you hit me with that? How'd you hit me with that? Okay. Yeah, working. Go. Try another time. Yeah. I have to watch her and read her like a book. I call it a her. They say it's a her and a she. And a him. Is that right? Isn't that what the lore says, guys? Doesn't the lore say this guy is a dude and a chick? I identify with this person being a female. Pretty much all the guys with long hair in this movie, in this game, I constantly refer to them as she, guys. I don't mean anything by it. I don't need that. Same thing. Her attacks are a little more telegraphed. She hits like a truck, though, still. Right. Yes, definitely a challenge. You'll get her eventually. I'll give her phase 2. Right. Phase 2 is better. Because it's a little more under control. Why? Well, first off, I panic rolled. Oh God. Okay, I'm still playing. That was early, and see, those are things I haven't even learned a time yet on, guys. I haven't even learned a time yet on the lightnings. That's just instant death. I got to slow down until she starts bringing her hand. I got to roll behind her. I got lots of time. I guess this fight will take you 10 tries. Well, I love your confidence. 10 try. If I knew this was going to go down in 10 tries, getting to phase 2, everything is going to slow down. I still can make mistakes, but everything's going to slow down. I just got to get to phase 2. And I'm doing okay. Damn, I keep getting hit by the grab, guys. The grab should be like one of the easier things to avoid. Because she really telegraphs it. I should just run away, right? The minute I see the grab, run away and then roll when it comes to hit me. I'm guessing. Almost forgot this. Radagon and Marika are the same person. See, I told you, Marika.
Ooh, baby, when you talk like that.
Guys, my vocals are on point these days, man. I'm playing a lot of music. Okay. That was too early. And I panic rolled that, but I didn't die. I don't even know what she just did right there. Oh, that stomp. I have to jump a stomp? I have to jump those, huh? I didn't know how to jump a stomp, guys. I have to jump those. They're quick jumps, too. They're quick jumps. That wasn't quite as good, guys. That was like about... That was maybe the same. Maybe that was 65-ish. 67-ish. Am I right? Am I even close on my estimate of the percentage? But bottom line is, one of the attempts might have been a little bit better than that. Okay, guys. There we go. Attempt number 6. This is number 7. The heavy rolls might be costing you a few frames. Am I heavy rolling? Oh my god! I didn't know! Are you kidding me? I didn't even know! I didn't even notice! I'm actually really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself for not knowing that. Okay. I think these shoes are the heavy... Well, the bull goat chest is the heaviest thing we have. These shoes at 15.3, we're gonna take them down, guys. We're gonna take them down. Because, oh yeah, now, is there a way to look here and see exactly how many points of weight I need to remove? Do you know what I'm saying? To do some simple math and be like, okay, I'm at 85, I gotta get down to 79, or, you know what I mean? Does anyone know how to do that? Because I don't know how to do that. I just, like, go over here and say, well, those are 15.5, we got 9.6, these got some holy damage negation. Bonus, guys. More holy damage negation. They look totally goofy. That's not fat rolling, is it? I just look like I'm fat rolling because I'm fat. That's not fat rolling. I didn't realize I was fat rolling then. Dave Joyce, thank you for bringing it up. The one thing I'm proud about myself, I'm totally embarrassed that I didn't know that I was fat rolling. That's a little bit embarrassing. Proud of myself that I wasn't looking at my character. I'm focusing on the boss. I said this yesterday. And they're like, of course, Charlie, that's the whole game. It's a Souls game. You have to look at the boss. Half the time I'm looking at the boss. Half the time I'm looking at my rolls. Half the time I'm looking at my keyboard. I'm doing all kinds of freaking stupid stuff over here that has nothing to do with killing the boss. So I didn't even know I was fat rolling. No wonder I'm getting nailed by so much of this. So 60% with fat rolling, folks. $67% with fat rolling. And we got +7 holy damage. Jeff Connolly, how you doing on the YouTube? Dude, all you guys, it makes me feel so good for you guys to come over here and see me on the YouTube, man. It really does, guys. It really does. Okay, let's get in. I mean, here's what I did wrong. What I did wrong? Oh my god, I did it again! Dude, it's so sad. That thing blew up. I should jump that, right? I'll tell you this. I've never jumped on Radagon before. And I know that she's doing some things that I'm supposed to jump. I would rather watch you on here, to be honest, Charlie. I can minimize the video and do other things. Can't do that on Facebook. Yeah, there are total benefits. There are benefits. 120 divided by 170 equals 84. You should be at okay at 80. 3.9 for mid rolls. Cool. Cool. Thank you for that. I just found a do I look and understand? Oh, here. Where equipment load 79.4. So I could pick up a few more points if I wanted to, but these have holy 7.7, man. More than the other ones did. It's a little bit more holy damage. Negation. You know what I'm saying? Which I'll freaking take. I don't think I want to change anything yet, man. First thing that's going to go is probably going to be the magic trinket. The problem with that is it's just going to prolong the fight, and then I'll be out of freaking health pods. And that's a fact. Because I know myself, guys. I know myself. Golden Bow. Okay. I'm going to shoot twice and I'm going to make some distance, guys. So I don't get grabbed. And if I get grabbed, I have to not panic roll. Because I panic roll right into the grab. That's bad. NG plus 8, dude. They don't want to give anything to you, man. Okay. A little bit of damn. The minute I see that, I freaking panic roll, guys. I'm supposed to die. Am I still up? I'm not up. And dude, I can see the frost. She just lost a little bit of weight, folks. While I was laying on the ground dead. 11 people watching and 10 likes. Good job, everyone. Thank you guys for the likes, man. If you're new to the stream, man, you like what you see, we're going to do all the downloadable content, guys. We're waiting like you with bated breath. And we are going to absolutely get knee-deep into it. I'm already streaming way more right now. I stream a lot anyway. But I'm feeling pretty good about that DLC, man. That's going to be sick. Okay, here we go. Nice quick buffing session. All I have to do is calm down. Everyone just needs to calm down. That thing is not going to work for very long, guys. Okay. Don't see. I'm not even panic. I'm panic reacting, thinking she's going to like hit me or something, because she's like brings her arm back. I waited that time. A little bit of timing. Oh, wow. Hey, I got it out of the dirt, guys. She's pretty aggressive, folks. Okay, that thing's gone. That was less percentage, but it was better in the way that there was a lot more moves. Still not good. Does anyone know how to beat this grab? Because that time, I didn't panic roll. And then when I saw her coming, I tried to roll, but I tried to roll through it. Maybe I got to do that. That move's not even in my wheelhouse, guys. You know that? I never do this. Jeff Conley, 24-hour stream. Let's go! We could do it, man. Are you allowed to do that here on on YouTube. I don't know, guys. I'll tell you this though, man. I got my setup the same way with the game. How it's easier for me to have things like, you know, in order and simple. Setting up my stream, I like to make things simple. I was trying to do everything. Don't try and do everything. You know how to beat the, yes, Caleb says, definitely can be done on the YouTube. Okay, I thought you were talking about how to beat the roll. I mean, the grab. And that was a roll, I think. And I got lucky. I try to... I'm just doing it to the meme! I got away from it. 2%. Okay, so she hit me, but she didn't grab me. Lightning spear? Okay, it's gone. It's gone. I knew that was going to cost me. 47%. The memester. So I did beat the grab with a roll, but then so I got to beat it with like maybe because I was just kind of backing up. Do you see, guys? I was targeted and I was backing up. Maybe an untarget and run. I was still pretty far away, but it was far enough for her not to grab me, I think. And then I think I have to do a jump right after because I had the timing down way better on the dodges that time. Yeah. No, I like I said, yeah, because you guys know I've done this before. I just have not done it melee without a little break here and there because of my summons, right? But these timings, oh my god, we're burning our freaking broiled pond, guys. Hi, Charlie. How can we support the stream in YouTube? Edwin Atalano, man. The best way right now is to do what you're doing. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video. Watch some of my other content on my page. If you see something you like, click like. And show up, man. Show up and subscribe. That's it. You're doing it. Yeah. This boss with no summons would be tough. Yeah, it would be tough. It is tough as we speak. Share. Can you share here, though? You can't share on YouTube, can you? Is YouTube a share thing? Can you share on YouTube? I didn't even know that was a thing, guys. I didn't even know that was a thing. Okay, guys. Let's hit her. That wasn't too bad. She got me with that. She should take a break. She was nice. She was nice to me. That was early and bad. That was greedy, but... And I got grabbed. Do I survive this? We could burn a rune art, guys, but look at that. Again, that's my second best attempt. That's like low 50s or mid 50s, 55, 56%. I shared on likes. Jason Stafford, thank you. You can share on... Oh my God, yeah. Well, Edwin, thank you for bringing it up. I have done so much research liked and subscribed already. Thank you. I've done so much research, guys. To this day, I'm doing research on Facebook. It was how we built the community. You know what I'm saying? It's how I reached all you guys and all the people that aren't here right now. Was just a lot of learning and stuff, right? YouTube, believe me, I've been paying some attention to YouTube, guys. I watch videos constantly. Content creators, videos, all kinds of stuff like that. But I'm going to have to get more of the YouTube scenario down. And YouTube Live's kind of different than YouTube, regular YouTube, you know? And I am on Twitch too, and I can see Twitch chat. If you're on Twitch, say hello. Throw me a sub over there too. Because whichever one of these takes off the most will probably end up being the... That is the most forgiving... I try to run. Try to run, guys. I should probably bubble. Oh, I turned to roll right through that, guys. I love rolling. No! Those are easy poopies. Those are the ones you can eat. Little panic there, but I got lucky. The timing was off. My timing was off. Once again, high 40s. 45% maybe. When my ash goes away, life kind of sucks. What if we left that in the right hand, and then we went to this hand, and we went with the Glintstone is the one. Glintstone, meet the Glintstones, is the one that with full show tune voice actually does better with that with the Crag spell, right? Now, one thing we're gonna do. I guess I could try a moon, man. I'm gonna do a moon for It was Kevin who said that he wanted a moon, right? And I can do this. And I can still do this. And then I'll be able to do that. A lot more damage. A lot more frost proc stuff. As a matter of fact, I could switch. Now that I have one weapon, I can two-hand it. I can two-hand the weapon for Elden Beast. You know what I'm saying? It's a real option, guys. It's a real option. Thank you for the share. I actually watched and loved that show growing up. The Flintstones? Oh, the Flintstones was magical, dude. I love the Flintstones, man. And anyone ain't down with the Flintstones ain't down with me, bro. Okay? That's all I'm saying. Just delete me from Facebook or whatever. Dude, you know what I do when people say, if you like whatever, they say, just delete me from Facebook. You know what I do when it's like my cousin or anybody? I delete them. I do. Even if it's somebody I agree with. Any ultimatums, I just freaking block, I just unfriend them. I don't like ultimatums. Oh man, I gotta roll way to the side for that. You can't hit me with those, but you know what? Oh, they explode. First jump of the day, folks. Oh, I gotta remember those explode. Got out of it. No! I'm dead. She's gonna close the distance, guys. No! Dude, I dodged that one and we're so golden, man. I dodged that one and we're so golden. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. We've taken it from the 70% down to sub 50%, and that right there was what, like 27% or something? Best attempt so far. I can go for years if I'm making progress. I know when I hit a wall. And it could be good pull, bad pull, bad pull, bad pull, and I won't lose hope. As long as I, you know, every few, oh man, guys, I think I skipped an attempt there. At least. Okay, I guess I need to yeah, no, I just got to remember to do it. I just got to remember to do it. And I'll do it at the door. At the door. Switching to the staff was the GM move, Dave Joyce. Yeah. And the moon was kind of fun too, huh? Do I have anything else up here? No, I don't. Good. Okay, this I should be able to do. And a rune arc could help. One thing about the staff, it gives me a little bit of room. We didn't get a lot of grabs. I wonder how... Ooh, we're starting to use our stock of boiled prawns, guys. But I think I could buy more. If I had like 160 boiled prawns, it means I can buy them from that guy, right? And he's in what? We'll go stock up on those at some point when we need a little chill. Okay, Flask of Wandering Physic. Wonder. There we go. Hit that. This may not be ninth attempt. I believe it is. And then let's go for Renault's Full Moon. 1. Hit this. Enter. Just bust a moon. Just bust. Oh, we're gonna bust a moon, guys. That was early. That was. Yep, I deserve everything I got there. I deserve everything I got there. I feel good about the pull. I got off timing on one roll, guys. This made me... Yeah. I find I do better when I run right back in, guys. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm not going to burn any rune arcs until we start... until it starts being worth a rune arc. You know what I'm saying? That the attempts need to be worth a rune arc, folks. Let me run back in. Hot drop. It's my hot drop button, guys. Same thing, only better. The moon was good, and the ash was good. Maybe I should... I don't know. Oh my god. I blew it. Did I hit her at least? I did. And I did that too early. And I did that too early. I need to stop moving by rolling. That's my problem. I think I've never said it with those words, but that's my problem. I need to stop moving by rolling. Nothing to it, just bust the move. Blackguard for the prawns is in Linernia. Boiled crab is better for physical negation, but if you didn't have advanced and Dung Eater's questline, he won't move to the capital where you buy him. Oh, you're talking about the bald guy that stole what's her name's freaking necklace? That guy? These are broiled prawns. Oh. The boiled crab. Oh, so you're saying there's something better. There's something better. There's something better? No summons of the dung on this run. No. Yeah, the guy who stole Snake Girl's necklace. He's not here. He's not here. And you said if I haven't done it on this playthrough. So if I wanted to buy more, I had to do that. Crab is better than the prawns. And where is he in the capital? Or is he even in the burnt capital? Where is he in the capital, man? I doubt he's there on this playthrough, but I want to know where he is. Is he in the burnt capital? And like any of these other buffs that negate holy damage, they're not going to stack with Golden Vow, are they? Is there anything here? These are all heals. Damage negation, fire negation. It greatly increases holy damage negation for self and allies. But why don't I have that? Faith 27. I need a couple points. I mean, it could help. Is that something that I could cast outside? But that probably doesn't stack with Golden Vow, right? Because then I'm thinking we would have used it all the time. So I'm thinking that probably is not a thing. But I don't know, it might be. Prawns and crab is just for physical damage. He's in the water near our Regis side tomb and our Regis hero's grave in the royal capital. Is that before it's burnt? They put messages in my buff spot, folks. Okay, we want to get like a sub 10% at least this attempt, guys. Sub 10%. I mean, we should be calling out, you know, the freaking Elden Beast, but a little early, but I got it. Not too bad. What did I do that? I clicked attack instead of freaking, I went for it. The full goat armor didn't save me. That was better. I should have jumped that. And I should have jumped that because, and I knew it was coming too. That's okay though. That's okay because I was foreseeing it. I thought she was gonna do it after the first swing. I haven't checked if he's still there or not after you burn the capital. He might be because technically it's out this plateau, not inside the capital. Yeah, because you were talking about the hero's grave, huh? There's a. Is it over here? The hero's grave's like right here. What? He's in the water near the Arisa side tomb. And Arisa hero's grave. I don't know where that is. Yeah, I'm not sure where that is. I don't see anything. Subterranean shunning grounds. I think the sword isn't doing anything. Do you know that? I think we two-hand the staff, guys, for maximum damage. Yeah, it's Altus Plateau. Face orange, frowning time to unleash the power of the trooper chair. Face orange, frowning time. You guys want some trooper chair? We might hit the trooper chair up in a little bit here, guys. Okay, let's get a better buffing sequence here, guys. Here we go. There we go. We're going full stack here, guys. Full staff, two-handed, full moon. Oh, I could have Terra Magic through the floor. I could have, guys. Wow, how do you miss that one? I got out of it though. Get away from it. Couple, 2 shots. Couple, 2 shots. Oh my god. I can't believe I got out of that. Run away from it. She's double attacking me. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! I knew what I did. Can't believe I'm still up. That was, guys, that was, I consider that one of my better attempts, even though the damage is less. I think the trick, oh yeah, how many, oh god, it's so hard for me to do that. How many attempts are we at now? That was like 3 more or something? What attempt are we on right now? I'll start doing it before. So is this number 14 or number 15? YouTube unleashes the full description of the emoji characters. Finger red number 1. Yeah, it's like I mean, it's descriptive. Ooh, I could get rid of this sword, but I'm gonna keep it for Elden Beast. That's right. That's right. That, I still think that was good, guys. And you know another thing? We're freaking rocking more magic damage, but we're taking a lot of damage. Let's say 13th going into 14. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it ahead of time. I always do it after, but I got to change something because I keep forgetting. Because when I get up here, I just want to go. You know what I'm saying? That's my problem. We must respect the counter, folks. Must respect the counter. I did some better dodging that time. That's why I feel pretty good about it. Try to jump. I figured she'd give me a rest there. It's a pretty big move. Pretty bad timing on those. Shouldn't have topped off there. Oh my god. We paid for it. I try to roll through it, guys. Do I have enough health? think I'm dead. Yeah. You know what? We're gonna... Since this is the learning phase, this is the learning phase, I'm gonna go for more damage negation, or at least take off the thing that is causing me to take more damage. Oh, and you know what we could do too? Like Bull Goat, we did all this for Slice, but like this is lighter and way more holy damage negation, guys. So I'm gonna put that on, guys. We're gonna put on clothes. The Emperor has new clothes, guys. We're gonna come down here and see less holy. Okay, so the one that has more holy, and it's a lot lighter. It has a lot less everything else. I don't know if we want to go just for more holy negation if we're giving up everything. How much more? You know what I'm saying? Let's see. This is holy 5.2, but like physical 6.5. Oh! Yeah, it's only a teeny bit more holy damage, but it's 3 pounds lighter. 3 whole pounds. Capital Round Park Grace is probably the closest grace you might have for Blackguard if you can still travel there after the capital burned. He's in the water near that grace. This character really puts the boss in boss battle. Okay. I'm trying to get a little more holy damage negation. What do we not check the hands? And we've picked up a lot. Okay, is there like a known set? Yeah, this is more. It's not much more. It's lighter weight though, man. I'm taking a little less holy damage, guys. And we also lightened up some weight. Now, what is there that we could take heavier that's got more malarkey on it? Like, my holy damage negation. Oh yeah, no. That's not my. I think we upgraded them all. We upgraded them all for the holy damage. This thing here, Magic Scorpion Charm. What the hell do I put here, guys? What the hell do I put here? Vastly boost non-physical damage negation. You know what? I'm doing it. You know why? Because first off, I have the freaking most embarrassing character ever created. It and Pinocchio are probably related. What about switching the Magic Scorpion Charm out for the Dragon Crest Shield Talisman? You know what? You think that would be better than Pearl Drake? Because this says holy, and this says non-physical. You know what? Let's try it. Like I said, man, the Dragon Crest, even when they say, like, this guy doesn't do physical damage, it seems like every time the Dragon Crest shield is on, it just feels like everything's better. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay, buffing with our newly found less damage. And so we're going to have a longer fight, hopefully. And a better fight. Oh, sorry, sir. I like taking a sword off, man. We're going to do a lot less damage, but we're going to take a lot less damage. So some of those times, I'll be able to get up and stay in the fight, which will be more time getting better at the attacks and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Rather than all that downtime of dying. She always jumps at me here. I got lucky there. Oh no! Get away! Get away, get away, get away. I should have done that. I jumped into her face, guys. The timing's off. Guys. Dancing with their more. Yeah, or Pearl Drake +2. 2 says 15 question mark. 15. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was at least. That probably was number 15. And now I'm gonna hit 16. Okay, that was number 15. I have to hit 16. I wish there was a way for one of you guys to do that. That'd be awesome. I don't think there is. I bet there is. Wait, let's get set. $16 now. Got you. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. I can feel the lower damage. I like the full moon. Oh wait, just get out of it. I get the sword on my back. I don't really like the sword on my back. Do you guys like the sword on your back? It feels awkward. I feel like it blocks my view. Anyone feel that way? They're like, you don't have to put your sword away. It's like, I want to. I like to dodge that one that way, guys. I knew that was late. Those are mini babies. Nice little punish. I rolled into her. I didn't mean to. I wanted to roll past her. How did I miss the last one? That was always like my favorite attack. Oh, usually I roll through that. Congratulations, you've received 100 messages today with Restream Chat. 16, okay, this will be number 17. That's like the easiest freaking one to defend, guys. But I usually roll through it. I really do. And, okay, let's get the stupid sword off my back then. I don't need that. I don't need the sword on my back, guys. I already hit the counter. Okay. Definitely good early maneuvers. Yeah, he's a hassle, man. I'm going to have to really make it a point to kill Elden Beast when I get to him. If that makes sense. If that's possible. Just got to stay alive, man. Just got to stay alive and focus. I got to focus more on taking less damage, guys. Better timing. Oh, I didn't get away from it. I'm all proud of myself. That's a good one to heal through, guys. Get away! Those are easy to heal through. Good, a little bit better. She's hitting me with a grab from a distance. I rolled! I thought I had time to roll, guys. Get up, get up, get up. Get up. I told you I usually roll through those. Why would I freaking... And then she turns around. She's getting meaner, guys. That might have been a joke. Those stars. I might have screwed up right there. Oh, we got away. See, I'm starting to do the three shots, guys. Phase 2. No health. All right, guys. Progress. Progress, baby. That's what I'm talking about. A little bit of progress for attempt number 8. Here we go. Now we just have to we have to perform a no hit. Say it, guys. No hit. A no hit Elden Beast. I'm not even going to think about warming stones. Guys, this is progress, man. And it's been steady progress. If it kept being 80%, 80%, 10% going, I'm getting better. No, you're not. You got one good pull. It's been consistently lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. And that time, I started hitting her with 3 poopies, guys. A little more often. 3 poopies, guys, is the key. I'm going to write a guide to the Elden Radagon. It's called 3 poopies is the key. Maybe we'll make a children's book out of it called Poopies, Poopies Everywhere. Dude, I haven't seen this in a long time, man. Or at least I feel like I haven't. We just finished a Madness build, what? 3 weeks ago? Seems like forever. Oh, and before that was quick. Dude, I don't even remember this, bro. Shift, right click is a heavy attack. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. What was that? I went for 2 hits. Now we're in the fire. Okay. Now we get to dance with the Elden Beast, folks. I'm trying to keep a little bit of stam. I thought he had poopies. Yep, that I wasn't sure how to deal with. And that one we're going to have to get better at too. It's okay. Radagon progress, dancing with the Dragon of Light. Let's go! Don't think he'll get that tag at tag Trey Karish. No, I don't think he will, man. You know what though? I would imagine Jeff Conley, are you on the Live Alert broadcast channel? Are you? Very curious. And also, yeah, I need to make a bot for YouTube, guys. Dude, we just got to Elden Beast. We got to Elden Beast through slightly more aggression. You're not. So how? You're not on the broadcast channel, dude. Why not? Go on there, dude. All it's going to happen is it's going to go ding. Charlie's live. I don't get it. Yet you manage to always be here, which is freaking awesome, guys. I have to hit the restroom. It's not even the 2-hour mark, guys. Turn 56, and then give me a hard time about it. Okay, I gotta go. No, I don't even think it's being old, guys. I think it's freaking lots of coffee earlier today. And I'm going to grab a water when I'm over there. I'll take you guys. Coffee cam? You guys want to see the coffee cam? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark, sometimes in the mornings. We're going to do all the downloadable content. And welcome to the coffee cam. Okay. In thinking, I do my best thinking in there, folks. In thinking about it, oh, is coffee cam? Was the music off on the coffee cam? Why, bro? Oh, because I muted it here. Sorry, man. Okay, so, I gotta go here and mute it from here. There we go. Now coffee cam has full jams as promised, folks. Okay, so what the hell just happened? I still should be live. Jeez Louise. No. No, I don't want to access my camera. I want to be back on the page I was at to have my chat. If not, I'll just freaking open YouTube chat. No, there we are. We're back. Guys, like, okay, the comments refreshed, but that's okay. I'll catch up with the comments, guys. There we go. How can he reach the microwave on top of the fridge? I can't, dude. I'm not. I'm too short for that, bro. I had to get up on a chair, like, to put a picture up there, man. My place is so small, like, you stack things really high. Didn't hear Charlie say Trey. Yeah, it's Trey here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, so we are not going to need that many health pots. I mean, mana pots. As a matter of fact, I know I drank probably once. This is probably okay, but I say we risk it for the biscuit. And I don't even know if I did drink once. I think I did. I say we risk it for the biscuit. Because, I mean, we were out of health pots. And if I would have had 2 health pots, might have gone a little further. Guys. Okay. Oh, you guys are tagging Trey in Facebook? On YouTube? That's funny, man. Yeah. I think Trey's been busy, man, which is good for him, man. I love Trey. He's a cool cat, man. I want to meet him in March, guys. Risky biscuits it is, says Jay. Okay, so now we have more health pots. Hopefully we don't run out of mana. Another thing I thought, on my physic, I could put a bubble, but the bubble is, like, dumb. If there was one attack I knew was coming and I saved it or something, you know what I mean? But there's not. Ouch, it's definitely time for more Advil. Oh, no, Jeff. My ankle hurts again. No! Okay. Okay, guys. Everybody have well wishes for Jeff's ankle because it's freaking pretty jacked up. It's been going through some nasty. All right, guys, this is it. This is Elden Beast 40%. We heard Charlie's business. Just kidding. Couldn't hear anything. Yeah. No, I mean, this is a pretty sensitive mic, but I've got it set to where it can't hear little teeny tiny things. That was a panic. Did you guys see it? Oh, why would I rush that? Oh, and that's the one in the ground. She feels proud of it, though, so I'm going to do that. Oh my god, get me out of there. It's important to dodge that so I can drain. Oh, I didn't get away from it though, but that actually, well, there were two of them, so that kind of sucks. This could be a bad chain right here, guys. God, that's so bad. I don't know what those do. I just knew they scared me. What'd I say? What'd I freaking say, guys? I heard a fart come out of the bathroom. Just kidding. Dude. Are we slowly getting Radagon? We're starting to see some phase 2s. Is that back-to-back phase 2s, guys? Is that back? Wait. What's our count? So we're... Because we had a break, right? So I think this is 18 or is it 19? That first phase was awesome. We're going to start having some awesome first phases, man. You know, we could fall back and have a bad first phase, but overall, it's not like science, at least not the way I play. It's not like science to where every poll is better than the last because of the RNG and because I fail at certain times and stuff, right, guys? But, dude, I probably should have equipped my other sword, man. I could use my ash. Don't have the extra magic rupees on them. Got away. I couldn't even see him. I just kind of did that from memory. I have no mana pots, which is good. Oh my Okay, I got the grab. Does it kill me every time? It does. What's the timing on the grab? I saw a guy run near his body, almost run into the grab. Back-to-back light dragon attack. This is great, though. This is great. Remember, we had to eliminate the grab from phase 1, right? Now, I got to eliminate the grab from phase 2. Jamity Charlie while cleaning windows, normally listening to music. Oh, Caleb, thanks, my brother. Thanks for being here. Yep. That grab is destructive. What a kind way to say it, man. What a kind freaking way to say it, guys. Okay. I'm curious, guys. Wait, I think I have one up. Oh, yeah, Twitch is up, guys. Twitch is up. Is anybody watching on Twitch? Rhodes said good day. Does it say Charlie Sardo Elden Ring? It says one viewer, man. If you're watching on Twitch, thank you. Welcome to the stream. Drop me a sub if you like what you see. 700 subs. We haven't got any new subs today on YouTube, and that's okay because we got a bunch yesterday. But, man, if you guys like what you see, drop me that sub because there's going to be more of it. There's shorts on my YouTube page, too. Like, there's Elden Ring shorts, believe it or not. And so you can check those out. Wait, okay, here we go. We only have 83 boiled prawns left, man. That could be an issue. What's going on? Oh, because I'm two-handing the weapon. And I drank. I went for it, guys. If we can beat a bad start like this, I try to jump, guys. Have I missed that one every time? That's the one to eat. That was bad. She had frost, guys. Come on, just put her out. I knew it was too risky. I had to try the ash, guys. I had to try the ash. I don't know how to beat that, guys. That was really bad. That's best attempt so far, though, guys. Like, what? 87% or something. Repeat of phase 2. That grab is destructive. Dude, that I completely botched the pull and recovered on Radagon. You know what I'm saying? That's a really good sign. Attempt number 20. That's a really good sign because once you get comfortable, everything slows down. You know what I mean? In these fights, once you get comfortable, everything goes down. I'm still not doing it perfect, I know, but I'm just saying that when you get comfortable, everything slows down. When things slow down, you can think, you can recover if you have a problem. Tip number 20, folks. I'm not real upset about the way this is going. I'm sorry. Anytime I kill these bosses, I'm overwhelmed. And you know what's going to be a problem too? Stamina on Elden Beast. I'm going to have to measure it. That was bad. Get out of there. I thought I was going to get hurt worse there, guys. And I knew I shouldn't have done a third hit there. Yep. No! Why? That was pretty crappy of her. I need these health spots for later. Would you leave me alone? Okay, get me out of here. Get me out of here. She lets me heal, guys. She's really, really generous. I knew I should have moved, guys. What was I doing? All right, guys. I'm consistently, not every time. Is that, can you say consistently getting into, consistent means every time, doesn't it? I'm more consistently. I dropped, that was so early. And I always go under him for that. Everyone does those, and they run underneath him, and they go to his side. They go, that's okay, man. I was doing the heavy attacks. Radagon is becoming fun. I'm not trying to get cocky, but I know that it's not luck. It's not luck. You know what I'm saying? So I know that Radagon is becoming fun. Consistency will win in the end, says Gyobu. Gyobu. How many times did you finish this game, Yobu? Gyobu. I freaking love this game, man. I got away from it for a few months at one point in my life. And then I got right back to it. And now with the, No! Come on. Why? Screw the buffs. They're gone. Charlie, what's up? Bielski, how you doing, man? Hey, Bielski, I need to make... Are you a mod in on YouTube, Bielski? Are all the mods that are here right now mods on YouTube? I think they are. I knew I got greedy, guys. You know the difference? It's all the 3 shots I'm doing. I'm like already thinking like, cool, I get the heal now. I didn't know a 4th one was coming. No way. Get up! She doubled it, guys. She wants me! She wants me. She wants me, but you know what? I want to kill the Elden Beast, guys. With 9 health pots. Well. Oh, this is attempt number 21? Okay, attempt number 20. Normally, okay, yeah. Colin, I'll add you here if you're cool with that. Because you're coming in every once in a while. It's nice to have you. Guys, Radagon is becoming fun. Radagon is becoming fun. That is crazy to me. I've never got Radagon like I get Radagon now. I kind of knew, because I would have to dodge all those attacks here and there, but I always had a summons. So I wouldn't have to do them like... I could always let my guard down and drink. I always let my guard down and do something, you know? Okay, you got this, my brother. It's not doing a lot of damage, guys. I did it again! And I went in front of him again. I'm the worst, guys. What? Okay, we timed that one. And how does he kill me every time with that, guys? He put it on me, guys. He puts it on me and goes away. I hear the noise and I think it's Elden Stars. Then I look at my freaking stam and I freaking didn't have any. I'm still very, 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 very squishy, man. Absolutely, man. I'm here to help the stream, of course. Well, here, let's just handle that right now because we can. It only takes a second. I think you get like a message or something. Bielski, I think you'll get a message. Add as moderator. Standard moderator. Okay, you're in. You're in. Oh my God. Dave Joyce, are you... Add as moderator. Dave, you're a mod, aren't you? Dave Joyce has to be a mod. Of course Dave's a mod. Yeah, of course Dave's a mod. I literally just... That Dave, I'll tell you, Dave is such a great mod. I don't know he's a mod. Or I know he's a mod, but I actually thought about it for a second. You know? That's hilarious, man. Okay, guys. Good. We're getting a moderator community here, guys. You absolutely love to see it. Wouldn't you set the mods on here? Maybe not all Facebook mods. We'll come over here. Caleb, when I... Maybe, but like I said, I only need a certain number of mods. Like right now, I've got enough. You know what I mean? I'll tell you, when you the great way to know when you don't have enough mods is when you look at your chat and there's like a naked picture of a girl and you delete it yourself, then you're like, I need more mods. You know what I'm saying? There's like 4 or 5 mods here right now. So I definitely don't need more mods on YouTube yet. But if the Facebook people come over here, I'll mod them. If they're not active on certain platforms, maybe I will take people that are active on that platform for sure. Yeah, because it could be different. It totally could be different. Okay, let me see. Same thing. Oh, wait, let's get that. Second verse, same as the first. Just got the notification. Cool, Bielski, thank you. I keep right two-handing the wrong one. I feel like I want to put the staff in my other hand. Yeah, my staff should be in my... Well, if it's two-handed, it doesn't matter. Right? Still chilling with the purple. Oh, that's you, Rhodes, watching over there? Cool, man. Okay. Ah! Why so early? That was horrible. She lets me drink, though. She's so nice. I dodged that before. Wow, that was early? Well, we're not going to have 10 pots, that's for sure. The double. Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I want to do better than that. We are much more consistently getting phase 2. Dave Joy says, yeah, we normally don't need to do much as mods. Nearly everybody who watches the stream comes in with the right attitude. They do, man. They do. The worst ones are the... You get an occasional real person that just needs to be taken care of. But usually it's more for the spamming, the self-promoting, the Bitcoin... I call them Bitcoin scams because when they first came around, that's what they were doing. They'd be spamming Bitcoin scams, spamming their WhatsApp and stuff. Someone comes in and says, hey, follow me on WhatsApp, and they put their freaking thing. To me, that's a ban from page. That person's not real. That person's trying to get something from people. You know what I mean? It is. That normal people don't begin conversations like that. I forgot the golden vow. Okay, a little bit late, but we got this. I feel so stupid. He's messing me up. Trips, what? I need to kill this stupid draconic sentinel. The one to get in the capital? I was just saying there's a possibility. Caleb, of course, man. Of course. Everything is possible. Here at Charlie Sardo Game. I knew. Come on. Get up. That was an opportunity to do some damn, guys. Too close, I knew it. I had to run for a second. Dude, this boss is so forgiving. That was early. She did those a little closer to get a little spread out. Yeah, you got to roll that to the side or... Okay, we got it. We got it. At least we got there. We ain't sitting pretty, but we got there. Okay, big lefty hand. Elden stars. Gather your freaking... That worked. I try to roll it! And I went too early. Okay. That's still about as good as I've done, guys. I'm not doing well. I'm not doing well close to the Elden Beast. I just have to get better. You're doing so bad against him. Are you using summons? I still feel so stupid. He's messing me up. The biggest thing I have a problem with the Tree Sentinel guy, Draconic Tree Sentinel, is when he does the lightning and he stamps it down. He does that, right? You just can't get too greedy. That's about every boss, right? I don't know what NG plus you're on if you're on your first playthrough, but he'll start doing like fires like 2 or 3 in a row. And you can buff up and flask up and do everything and usually get like a couple of attacks on him right away. You know what I'm saying? If you're using a summon, man, you're not using a summon probably, right? That was a bad Radagon and a bad Elden Beast, but guys, we are into the Elden Beast. We are in the Elden Beast. Now the question is, do I want... Yeah, I don't even need to think about 2 swords for the Elden Beast. You know why? Because it doesn't matter. I don't need more damage for the Elden Beast. I need to stop having him flop on me. I need to stop having him flop on me, man. I have an idea. I don't know if it's going to work. And now I can't even find the spot. I forgot it. I get it close in there. No range. I think when he's sitting there, there's a way to, like, creep right up to him, isn't there? I chilled. I should have kept shooting. Wow. I went too close. See, I thought I went too close last time. Good, the no-hit slam, guys. I think I got it off. Way better. Yeah, I gotta get close to him. And now I can't even find the spot. I forgot. Okay, cool. Alright, Caleb, I hear you, man. Okay. Big damn. Biggest thing is untarget, at least for me. Get away from that. That was early and I knew it. He's not coming for 2 though. I ran away from it. I don't know what to do with that. I tried to run out and I did. Dude, he's freaking trying to wear me out of stam, bro. He's trying to wear me out of stam right before the boobies. I gotta watch him. Why do I roll out so fast? I'm supposed to die. I deserve to die, guys. I deserve to die, man. The way I'm doing that. Elden stars again. Okay, that was late. I haven't hit him in a month, guys. That was easy. No. I got no stamp. I'm dead. Wow, I made it. Wow, got hit by that one. Okay, all out of stuff, guys. I'm all out of stuff. Just time these things. I don't even know what just happened right there. That was by far my best Elden Beast attempt. Yeah, I'm really struggling. I am Black Knife T or one of the tankier summons. Is he using a summons? Like Oleg, Engval, or a Dung Eater will take the heat off you and help. Yeah. But Trips, did Trips say it was his first playthrough or first playthrough on this character? And he is using summons? What is he weak to, guys? Do you guys even know? It just seems like you just go kill him with whatever build you have, I think, right? Some people do the poison cheese on him. Like they sneak up on him and they freaking put poison on him and then they like run away and he just sits there and his health bar just ticks down. That's kind of fun. There's another fun cheese where you run him over to the edge. You run him over to the edge and then you freaking knock him off. You do a heavy and you knock him off the freaking edge and he falls off the edge of the world. That's a thing too. Cheesing is okay if it's not your entire goal in life. Although if you're not looking for cheeses, that's cool. But those are the cheeses, at least I know. I don't know if the poison cheese still works. Does it, guys? Anyone? Any ideas? Poison cheese still works? What night is it? Sunday night, 8 o'clock. Okay, the band just finished. I had an opportunity to go play music earlier today, guys, and I bypassed it to keep working. I've been working all day on this stuff and also getting this freaking stream together. This... I think I need 2 swords. 2 more faith for poison mist. And what level are you, Trips? I'm curious what level you are. Because you're probably like between farms or something, right? But I mean, even if you're level freaking, you know, you're trying to get into the capital, you could be level 35, but you're probably level 45 or something if you're 56. Good. So I mean, dude, you could just freaking put on a YouTube video and go over to the ball farm and just get some freaking get 2 levels, man, right? You could go sell junk and get 2 levels. Maybe. I don't know if you have any remembrances. You probably already use them. Your build is screwed up. Not gonna lie. Yeah, you said you were a little off. You hadn't been focusing on the right. Oh man, and that's at least 21. Guys, we crossed over tonight from not being able to kill Godfrey and Horlu to demolishing them. Horrible what is it? I would say Ragnaros. Radagon. Horrible Radagon attempts, walking in there and just getting melted. And now Radagon is like just something that's in the way of my Elden Beast fail. Right? Now 24, I believe. Which boss are you stuck on? True says now 24. That sounds about right, man. I love the button on my stream deck says hot drops. Because it's 100 hot drop, 200, or 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100. Guys, if you like what you see, please drop me a sub, drop me a like. There's more content here, right here at Charlie Sardo Gaming on YouTube and Twitch and Facebook, although we're not live on Facebook. Check out the YouTube stuff, man. Go to my shorts and look at my, there's a bunch of Elden Ring shorts. And there's other shorts too, World of Warcraft stuff. I was in hardcore World of Warcraft. I got disconnected on a bat. That's a good one. Might want to check that one out. I believe that one's on YouTube. Yeah. Tree sentinels are a pain, more annoying than anything. Kevin Cook, man. Dude, what a freaking stream, man. I don't think I'm going to freaking beat my head on this guy for this many hours. I think I need to I mean, how long? We've only been 2 hours and 18 minutes, but I think I'm good, man. I think I'm good for now, guys. Sorry I'm not going to go all night. I am going to try and do some more work on the stream and then try and get to sleep, man. Breaking news. Let's hang out for a minute, guys. It's okay. I'll put the music on. Yeah, so I think I'm going to try and get to bed early. The problem is I was up till 4 in the morning last night. 702, man. I'm telling you. You know what, Jay? If I got 2 YouTubers a day and would have been streaming like I've been streaming on Facebook, I'd have like I'd be closer to 3K. You know what I mean? But it will come. It will come because I'm only starting now to commit to YouTube Live. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not a guys. You know, like you know, you got your script kiddies and you got your hackers, right? To me, a YouTuber is someone that makes a video, edits it, makes it watchable, makes it freaking interesting. You know what I mean? I'm streaming on YouTube. I'm not exactly I wouldn't even consider myself even if I was just streaming. It's like, to me, a YouTuber is someone who makes videos. Like, I've made some videos, and you know what? Some people are magic at it. You know, there's like a formula you got to get down. They keep saying, and I could try and make my videos and edit them and make them just copy somebody. You wouldn't know. You wouldn't know the style. You'd just be like, oh, Charlie's videos got better. You know what I mean? Hard for me to make scripts and stuff. It's not what I want to do. How else do you get in? Trips, that's it, man. He's your boy. That's your key. Trips, what summons are you using? Did he say, was he using a summons? This too will happen the next level just around the corner. You don't need to beat your Conic Sentinel to get into the capital. You can go back to it later. P6 is a little low for him. How do you get into the capital without that? Dave Joyce. Is there a portal or something? Like the 4 French fries or something weird? Spirit Wolf. Oh, like the three of them? Do you have anything else leveled up? I'll tell you, Trips, what's so beautiful about this game, is it's hard for me to have fun doing that right now because NG plus 8, I have stuff. I have 51 smithing stone 4s, 101 2s, 3 somber ancients, 19 ancient dragon smithing stones from, look at this, man, 9 great ghost gloveworts. Grave glovewort, great ghost. I don't have any great grave gloveworts. That kind of sucks. Where are those? We should probably go pick some up. But you end up with so much stuff in your inventory that you don't usually need to go on any missions. But I loved it when we're like, people are like, oh, maybe this talisman will help. I'm like, let's go get it. And then you go on a side mission, right? You need to find out what this guy's weak to. The dogs, to be honest with you, they can be a little distracting at times. They can help a little bit. I know you don't have a mimic tier and you can't get a black knife tiche. I guess dogs at this point is still probably one of the better summons, right, guys? You know, a jellyfish might do good. Jellyfish are pretty tanky if you got the gloveworts to level them up. If not, find out the catacombs you didn't do and go to the catacombs and loot them. And if you need runes, ride to Kalid. You could go down the basement in Limgrave at the lake. And you could port to freaking Kalid, or just get on your horse and run all the way. Go to Lenny's Rise, learn how to do the ball farm if you don't know, and just pick up a couple levels. Or go back and play the game. Maybe you didn't do Celia Crystal Tunnel yet in Linernia, right? Do all that stuff. Find every cave, every dungeon that you haven't done yet, and go in and kill those bosses that are way easier than the Tree Sentinel, because they're supposed to be. And then take the runes and get a level. You know, get your faith if you want it. But you might just need to go back and play more. You can go through Deep Root Depths via his quest line. There's a portal. Well, yeah, but Deep Root Depths is still later game, isn't it? Wait, how do you level them up? Okay, I'm going to show you right now. Over here. Oh, wait for it. This is it, right? I believe it's Stormhill Shack. At Stormhill Shack. Do you have a jellyfish? Right here, Stormhill Shack. There's a girl right here. She left me some loot. There's a girl right here. You got to talk to her and then go away from her. And then she'll be at the round table. You really don't know. Oh, I'm sorry. Good. I'll show you. Yeah, I love that. Usually people are saying, like, we can't see screen just because they want things to be right. Trips is saying, I can't see screen because he wants to freaking know where. It's in Linernia, right? No, it's North Limgrave. Right before the castle. Right before castle with Margit and all that. Stormhill Shack. You come here. And then there's a girl in here. Spirit tuning. So you do have a jellyfish. So you talk to her. Because she needs to be gone from here. And then she will be at the round table. And then I'm not invaded, am I? Everyone's dead here, guys. And then she'll be standing right here. And you talk to her.
Don't worry. I'll continue, which is why on his roots he won't let his shack.
You talk to her. She'll do spirit tuning for me now. But then you talk to this guy and you go back and forth. She'll say, like, you got to exhaust all your dialogue. Then at some point, so there's no more about Roderica. She's just there. About yourself.
What happened? What?
Okay, about Roderica. Nope. So is it too late to bring her over here? Because she'll set up camp right here. Or maybe after the capital burns, she goes back outside. But either way, you talk to her, you talk to him, you talk to her, you talk to him. When nothing works, pass some time. You know, meaning in this right here, just talk to the Grace, right? And then her name's Roderica. You talk to him about Roderica. And then you talk to her about him, about hey, Hog, whatever his freaking name is. And then you rest again. And then she'll be sitting right here. And it says spirit tuning. Oh, wait, I know where she is. I'm slow. No, Trips, there's so much involved in this game. And then, because she says, I'm looking for my special purpose. And when she finally realizes what it is, it's called spirit tuning. And when you talk to her, it's right here. And then you highlight the ash you want to upgrade. And it costs runes and glove warts. Like I was showing you earlier, the glove warts are here, man. These are the glove warts. I got billions of them because from all the playthroughs, right? Would they be here? Yeah, there's all my glove warts. And then if you like, oh man, I got a 1 and a 2, but I needed 3, you can Google Grave Glovewort 3. And it always says you can get it from the ball bearing, and that's the hardest way to get it, but then you can have them forever, right? You could just buy them from the Twin Maiden Husks. But it'll be like, there are 2 in this cave in this Whispering Peninsula. And go get them. Level up your dogs. What level are your dogs? I'm telling you. And your weapons are level 2, right? Okay, good. Okay, so you do know how to do this then. Yeah, you got them to 3. That's good news. That's good news. And you know what I would do if I'm having trouble killing him? I'd blame it on the jellyfish. I go, how do I get to 4 and 5? You might not be able to get him till Altus. I don't know. But I would try. You know what I'm saying? I would try to get him, or after capital or something. I bet you probably can. Get those suckers leveled up. Is your weapon leveled up? You know, we're rocking the +10 over here. Ain't trying to flex with the 2 +10 Dark Moon swords. Everybody can do it. This is NG+, so it was real easy for me because I had all the mats just sitting there, right? Level up your weapon. And you know what, man? If you have freaking... If you're level 54 and you have 8 points in strength that should be in dex, that doesn't matter that much to where you couldn't kill the tree sentinel. You know what I'm saying? I think you can. I think you can. I'd get a stronger... And there's also... Dude, check this out. Check this out. I just realized. I don't know if you know this. I'm going to tell you something you might not know. Oh, I can't show you. Okay. I can't show you. Where do you come in to go to capital? You ride. It's not there. You ride. You go up this. You come to here. You ride past the 2 big golems. One's got the freaking, one's got the nasty, right? Now, how do I, yeah, it's this way, right? Where is it? There's another summon you can summon. Yeah, like 15 on both. I have the bell bearings. Is this the way? I don't feel like the steps were this, On the ground, right before you engage him, there's a summon. Did you know this? I don't know if you qualify for it or not, but there's a summon. And I'm going to show you where it is. And I never knew. But there's another summon. So you can summon that summons and your freaking dogs. Or your jellyfish or whatever. Dude, don't tell me these guys are gone. That's awesome. Who is it? Who is that summons that can help you kill the Draconic Tree Sentinel, guys? Do you guys know who it is? Yeah, you say you have, yeah, like 15. Both. I have the bell bearings. Yeah, but there are other bell bearings for the next level up. Right here. Right over here somewhere, there's a summoning sign on the ground. Did you see it? Trips? Careful you don't aggro the fools with the freaking thing. Look around here for a summoning sign. You might be able to click on it, and another NPC comes to help you. And then summon your jellyfish or your dogs. And then buff up, drink your physic, whatever you got, anything to do the mass damage you can, and then just go in there and freaking kill that fool. Do you have the summons available? When I'm doing a summons playthrough, I love to use those summons, folks. They are cool as AF. I don't know if I have it. You gotta look around. Like I said, it could be right here. It could be right here. It could be right here. And you know, they're kind of gold. And see how these, it looks like fall and the leaves are all yellow. But it's a summon sign. The same exact like outside of God, whatever. Margit and, you know, the capital, not the capital bosses, the castle bosses, the first real big bosses you come to. There's summons outside. Roger and that, right? Yeah. So if you should check that. Because if you do have it, that's game changer, man. That's a game changer. You know what I'm saying? Guys. We freaking got Radagon. I neutered Radagon, man. I never thought I'd neuter Radagon. I mean, okay, he could still hit me. He can even still kill me. I botched a pull and killed him. Now I just need to start getting into Elden Beast with more pots. You know what I can do too? Don't drink my flask. Holy shot. I do. Trips. But wait though. Wait. Never rush the moment. It's possible. If you need to level up the dogs or the jellyfish a little bit more, and you can do that, is your weapon as leveled up as you can get it right now. Maybe you could go farm those 2 points in faith for that poison if you want it. That's more for a cheese though. But if you summon that freaking fool and you summon almost anything, the dogs are weak and they're gonna freaking die to the fire. They're gonna die so fast. I think the dogs are gonna die so fast. I would use a jellyfish and that summons. And if you have a fire resist trinket, you get one early. Don't you get one early? Did you get one like going into the castle or something? Put on the fire resist trinket. You know what I'm saying? So when if he blows fire on you, it maybe doesn't kill you the first time, and then kill it, man. Holy shit! I might cheese him. You might. Well, if you couldn't do it before, that summons isn't going to come in. Here's what the summons will do, in my opinion. The summons is probably going to do 8% of his damage or something. How much damage? I don't even know what that guy does. This summons. He's not going to do 40% of the damage. You know what I'm saying? He's not a Black Knife teacher. Okay? He's not going to... What he's going to do is he's going to distract the fool. So you can freaking go off on him. Then when he gets on you, dodge, dip, dove, duck, dive, dodge. As soon as he's off you, get on his butt again, man, you know? Yeah, man. Summons is a thing that I miss very much. And I was missing it very much yesterday when I was failing to death with Godfrey, and I thought it was a failure at life. And I thought Radagon was going to be the same way, but we overcame Radagon, man. We got Radagon under control. Now I just got to get that Elden Beast. He distracts him good. You can get a weapon up to Sombering 6 before Radon without cheese. What weapon are you using? Yeah, what weapons are you using, Trips? We're curious, man. And are you using it? You got ashes on these weapons? Or are they somber weapons? What are we talking about here? Because, but I mean, the fact is, did you ever come close? If you ever came close with the dogs and yourself, then this will tip the scales, man. He's not typing because he's freaking trying it right now, guys. We gotta wait for Trips, man. What do you think's going on right now? Here comes the fire. Roll to the side. Roll to the side. Oh no, he's gonna do the lightning thing. Watch his hand. Watch his hand when he drops. Oh man, I get hit by it. Yeah, don't feel bad. I get hit by it all the time too. Okay, man. You know, 2 of the dogs are dead. We got 1 dog up. I can't really see it, guys. I'm just making this up. But dual bandit curbed swords plus 13. Well, that sounds good. Is that full weak to blood? To bleed? Yeah, I was trying. I died. It's okay. You could summon that fool again, man. You could summon that fool again. Like you said, if you need to. I would say your blood curve swords plus 13. The way I remember leveling a new character, which I've done 8 characters. What's the max you can have? 10? So I probably have. Well, I have 10 different characters. And then some of them have played the game 8 times, 3 times, 4 times, like that. 2 times. Some of them only once. Plus 13 for your swords is fine, I would think. Plus 3 on the jellyfish, I'm like, no, man. Am I right? No, he's not to any element stuff. Okay, yeah, but you still can do good damage. Trips is going for the Draconic Tree Sentinel right now. Yeah, we could tell, man. That was it, Dave. So, but they still do damage, right? So there's no any element stuff, but poison. Okay, poison's not an element, right? Yeah, poison, but blood's not an element either. Because poison, even if he's not weak to poison, the whole idea is, you can watch cheese videos. They wait till he's in a certain spot because he passes around a little bit. I think they go all the way around this way. If I remember right, I've never done it. And don't get me wrong, I'm a cheesy cheeser, folks. And then they'll get behind him and they'll put the poison poopy on him. And I don't know if they stay right here to reapply it or what they do. But he just takes such little damage he doesn't go into combat. And then another thing they do, the speedrunners do it when they ain't got no time to mess around. They'll pull him over here and they have like a high poise kind of a weapon or something, and they'll somehow get him over here, and then they'll freaking say, "What's up?" Boom, and he freaking falls off the edge. If I remember right, it's something like that. It's something like that. You might even hit him with the rock sling and knock him off. I'm not sure. Dude, look at this game. I wish you the best, Trips. And Trips, if you don't get it tonight, remember, man, I was streaming for freaking 25 people last night. Failing, man. And I hung in there. And we got her done. Got her done today. So if it gets too bad, man, you might just be tired. You might just need to take a break. Think about it. Think about your trinkets. Think about stuff, you know. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to call it, man. Thank you guys for being here. If you guys like what you see, throw me a sub on YouTube and Twitch. I'm going to go back and check out all the stats and everything after and to do my due diligence as a streamer. Thank you to my mods for being here. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you, Trips. Thank you, Kevin. Man, we had a nice little group tonight, man. We had a nice group, and I'm so glad I was able. Bielski, I was so glad I was. In truth, I was so glad I was able to. Jeff Conley. To improve and get Radagon under control. Feels so good. Feels so good. Draconic Tree Sentinel. Now, wait, which boss are you stuck on? Yeah, Draconic Tree Sentinel. Yeah. Now 24, I believe. Yeah, I get that. Okay. All right, guys. Oh, those are old. Great stream. Yeah, it was a great stream. I had a great time, man. I really enjoyed this. I'll catch you guys later. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I should go live for this tomorrow before chess because I'm going to be a good boy and try and go to sleep early. And then tomorrow's Monday night, man. After dark, guys. After dark, we kill Elden Beast. If we don't kill him tomorrow. In the morning. Maybe tomorrow we'll give him a few attempts in the morning and maybe go kill Estelle or something. Or try. Play the game a little bit, you know. Rather get hung up on this stuff. Although, we're not going to... Elden Beast isn't going to kill himself, folks. And I can't start my next playthrough until I get Elden Beast. Alright, guys. I love you guys. Appreciate you. Now, how the hell do I shut this one off? This is the... Okay, no. Well, I know I can kill it by just shutting this off. Alright, guys. Love you guys.